Do you want slimmer legs? Many of us dream of having toned, slender legs but struggle to find the time or the right exercises to achieve that goal. You can get them even with a busy schedule. Whether you're juggling work, family, or other commitments, this workout fits seamlessly into your day. This 3-minute workout is designed by celebrity coach Tracy Anderson. Known for her innovative and effective fitness routines, Tracy has crafted this quick yet powerful workout just for you. You can do this workout in bed. It's easy and effective. Imagine starting your day with a quick session that sets a positive tone for the rest of your activities. It targets fat in your knees, hips, and thighs. These areas are often the most challenging to tone, but with consistent effort, you can see significant improvements. Let's get started. This workout has 3 parts, each focusing on different muscle groups to ensure a comprehensive leg workout. We will start with the thighs. These exercises will help strengthen and tone your thigh muscles, giving you a leaner appearance. Then we will work on the hamstrings. Stretching and strengthening these muscles can improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Finally, we will focus on the inner and outer thighs. Each exercise is simple yet effective, designed to target those hard-to-reach areas. You will see results if you do them every day. Consistency is key, and with just a few minutes each day, you can achieve the legs you've always wanted. Are you ready to feel stronger? Let's go. Embrace this journey towards better health and fitness, and enjoy the process of transforming your legs. Let's begin by toning those thighs. Lie down on your back in bed. Make sure you are comfortable. Keep your arms at your sides. Bend them at a 90-degree angle. Your body should look like a goalpost. Now point your toes. Keep your legs straight. Raise one leg towards the ceiling. Hold it for a moment, then lower it back down. Repeat this 10 times, then switch to the other leg. This exercise strengthens your thighs. It also works your abs. You'll feel the burn. Next, we're going to target those hamstrings. Hamstrings are crucial muscles located at the back of your thighs. They play a vital role in your overall leg strength and flexibility. By working on them, you not only improve your athletic performance, but also reduce the risk of injuries. Start in the same position as the first exercise. Lie down comfortably on your back with your arms resting by your sides. Ensure your body is aligned and your core is engaged. This will help you maintain stability throughout the exercise. Remember the goal post arms? Now point your toes. This small adjustment activates your calf muscles and prepares your legs for the upcoming movements. It's essential to keep your toes pointed to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. This time, pull your toes towards your heels. This action engages your hamstrings even more. Feel the stretch and the tension building up in the back of your thighs. It's a sign that your muscles are working hard. Try to touch your buttocks with your heels. This movement might be challenging at first, but with practice, you'll notice improvement. It's a great way to enhance your hamstring flexibility and strength. Repeat this 10 times for each leg. Consistency is key. By repeating the movement, you ensure that your muscles are getting the workout they need. Take it slow and focus on your form. This exercise tones the back of your thighs. Over time, you'll notice your hamstrings becoming more defined and stronger. It's a rewarding feeling to see the results of your hard work. It also helps with flexibility. You're doing great. Flexibility is crucial for overall mobility and can prevent muscle stiffness. Keep pushing yourself and stay motivated. For the second part of our hamstring workout, keep lying down. Raise your legs. Elevating your legs changes the angle of the exercise, targeting different parts of your hamstrings. Bend them slightly at the knees. This slight bend reduces strain on your lower back and focuses the effort on your hamstrings. Make sure to keep your core engaged. Now swing your legs up towards the ceiling. Keep them flexed. Do this 20 times. This dynamic movement not only works your hamstrings, but also engages your glutes and lower abs. Feel the burn and embrace the challenge. This movement works your hamstrings and glutes. Feel the power. By combining these exercises, you're giving your lower body a comprehensive workout. Keep up the great work and stay consistent for the best results. Section 4, Inner and Outer Thigh Focus. In this section, we will be concentrating on exercises that specifically target the inner and outer thigh muscles. These areas are often overlooked but are crucial for overall leg strength and stability. Now let's focus on the inner and outer thighs. These exercises will help tone and strengthen these muscles, giving you better balance and more power in your legs. This exercise is a bit different from the usual leg workouts you might be familiar with. It's designed to engage the muscles in a unique way, ensuring that you get the most out of your workout. Lie on your back with your knees bent. This position will help you isolate the thigh muscles more effectively. Your feet should be flat on the bed. Make sure they are hip-width apart to maintain proper alignment and balance. Cross one leg over the other. Keep both legs tense. Press them together. Now bend your knees. This movement will activate both the inner and outer thigh muscles simultaneously. Try to touch the bed with your knees. This part of the exercise will stretch and strengthen the muscles, improving flexibility and endurance. This is called a plie position. Hold for a moment. Holding this position will help build muscle endurance and stability. Then straighten your legs back to the starting position. Make sure to do this movement slowly and with control to maximize the benefits. Repeat this 10 times on each side. Consistency is key to seeing results. So make sure to perform each repetition with proper form. This exercise targets your inner and outer thighs. By focusing on these areas, you can achieve a more balanced and toned lower body. It also works your glutes. You're almost done. Keep pushing through to the end for the best results. Remember, the effort you put in now will pay off in the long run. Section 5, Beyond Slimmer Legs, Health Benefits. This workout is great for slimming your legs, but did you know it also has other health benefits? These exercises improve blood circulation in your legs. They help remove excess fluid. This is especially good for people with swollen legs. Improved circulation means healthier legs. You'll feel lighter and more energized, so keep those legs moving. Section 6, Taking Care of Your Legs Every Day. You can do more for your legs every day. Walking is fantastic for leg health. Try to walk for 30 to 60 minutes a week. You can break it down into shorter walks. Even a 5-minute walk every 2 hours helps. Wearing comfortable shoes is also important. Choose shoes that support your feet and legs. Avoid high heels for long periods. They can strain your legs. Swimming is another great exercise for legs. It's low impact and works all the muscles. Water aerobics is also a good option. Section 7, ready for amazing legs? So, what are you waiting for? Try this 3-minute leg workout in bed. You'll be amazed by the results. Remember to be consistent. Do it every day for the best results. You've got this. Share your experience in the comments below. Let me know how it goes, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing workouts. Want perfect looking legs? Check out my 1-month program.